Meaning of handrail.
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 Handrail. A handrail is a horizontal bar or support, typically attached to a wall or post, that people use to steady themselves while walking up or down stairs, ramps, or other elevated surfaces. It serves as a safety feature, preventing falls and providing stability for individuals who have difficulty balancing or walking. Handrails are commonly found in public buildings, such as hospitals, schools, and government facilities, as well as in private homes. They are made from various materials, including metal, wood, and plastic, and can be designed in different shapes and sizes to suit specific needs and preferences.